Welcome. I'm Josephine Wells, yoga teacher in Deal, and today I'm going to guide you into relaxation with the noise of nature surrounding you. So you can either come to a comfortable seated position or lay yourself down on the floor. Maybe cover yourself with a blanket or put a pillow under your knees. So if you're seated, bring the hands into the lap. One hand on top of the other, the palms up to your imaginary sky. Closing the eyes. For those of you who are laying down, take your feet wider apart, let the feet drop out to the sides. Close the eyes. Clench your hands into fists and gently release. Screwing up the whole of your face, the brow, the cheeks, and let those muscles release. Let the face relax, the tongue rest on the back of the teeth. And slowly move the head side to side, releasing any tension you're holding in your neck. Pull in the belly now. Let the muscles clench and release. Clench the muscles in the calves and the thighs. And as you release, feel the body sink more into the floor, safely supported by the floor. Imagine you're in a field, a green open field, surrounded by trees. You can hear the wind blowing through the leaves, the birds singing as they're sat on their branches. There's a little brook nearby with a bridge. So in your mind you walk to the bridge and look at the water bubbling by. You can see all the different colours reflected in the water, the blue of the sky, the green of the leaves. Imagine you can hear the noise of the bubbling water over the pebbles. You can see the fish swimming in the water. The colours glistening in the sunlight, the colours of a rainbow, and flashes of silver. So stay here a few moments longer. Then slowly make your way back to the green space of the field. And as you sit yourself down, notice the yellow buttercups surrounding you, glowing as bright as the sun. And you can feel the warmth of the sun on your face. The healing rays of the sun giving you energy and happiness. Enjoy this moment of stillness and sensation for a little longer. And then it's time to leave this special green space. You start to bring the awareness to your body, wriggling the fingers and the toes. And as you take a deep breath, have a full body stretch, stretch the arms and the legs. And then slowly make your way back up to seated, keeping your eyes closed. And bring back into your mind an image of the green field and the babbling brook. And then slowly open your eyes. Thank you and thank yourselves. I hope you enjoyed this little relaxation session. And I hope to see you in a class sometime soon. Take care and goodbye.